So today's topic is adding numbers, right? And we already know our numbers from 1 to 10. So we can easily go into adding numbers. All right? So we add in two ways, boys and girls. The first way is to add across. Across. So watch my arrow on my screen, right? First, I'm pointing the number 2 and I'm going from left to right. From left to right. So this is my number sentence. And I want to read my number sentence starting with the number 2 and I'm going this way. Okay? That is called adding across. Okay? What is it called? Adding across. We add from left, starting with the number 2, going this way. All right, boys and girls, everyone saw my arrow? Right. So we will start with number 2. I'm going to read the number sentence and you can read along the number sentence with me. Okay? I have 2 and you will see this symbol right here. This is called the add sign. Add or the plus sign. Okay? So let me start back. 2 add, what number is this? 1. Right. So we have 2 add 1. Good. Now we come on to this symbol right here. This is called the equal sign. Equal. All right. It means when you add up 2 add 1, it will be equal to something. We will get an answer that goes in this box here. Okay? So we can read the whole sentence as 2 add 1 equals something, an answer that we will get. Okay, boys and girls? So let's read that sentence again and then we will try to add and solve it. Okay? Now this is also called a sum, right? A sum. And when we add from left to right, it means we are adding across. So 2 add 1 equals something. Right? Good. So now we are going on. We are going to actually solve this problem or this sum. We call it a problem sometimes, right? Or a sum. So here we have 2 add 1 equals something, an answer that we will write here. So the first thing we do to solve any sum is look at the first number. And what is our first number, boys and girls? 2. Our first number is 2. So I am going to draw 2 marbles that goes with this number 2, right? Count them with me. 1, 2. We have 2 marbles. And we are going to add, because this sign tells us to add 1 more. So I'm going to put 1 more marble for this number 1 that is here. 1 more marble. So take a look. Good. And we have our equal sign. Now we are going to get our answer, boys and girls. So how do we get our answer? We count up all the marbles that we just got. All right? So count with me, boys and girls, and we will get our answer. 1, 2, count on 3. So 2 add 1 equals 3. Our answer is 3. So we have 3. Let's read the number sentence together. Remember, we are going across from left to right. Okay, that's how we read it. 3 add 2 equals something. Okay, read it again. 3 add 2 equals something. Let us now try to solve this problem or this sum. So remember, when we are solving this problem, what we must do. Okay? I have 3 add 2 equals something. So the first thing we look at is the number 3 because that's the first number that we see in our problem. Okay? So how many marbles am I going to draw? 3. All right. Take a look. 1, count with me. 2, 3. We have 3 marbles. So after we have drawn our 3 marbles here, we move on. We say 3 add 2 more marbles. So what are we going to do? We are going to draw 2 more marbles. 1, 2. Okay? And this would be equal to something here. And in order to get our answer, what do? We have to count up all of these marbles to get our answer. So count with me, boys and girls. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Count on with me. 4, 5. How many marbles did we get? 5. Let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boys and girls, our answer is 5. We got 5 marbles, boys and girls. Isn't that nice? Yes, it is. I'm going to show you another way that we can do a problem or a sum. And in this one, instead of going across, this time we will go down. Right? We will add down. So we will be reading our number sentence going down. So let me show you how it is done. I will put my arrow by the first number. And this is our first number. It's 2. Okay? Here is our sign. Right? So it's 2 add 2. And here is our equal sign. So you see how different it looks? We have 2, and I'm reading down again. We're going down. 2 add 2 equals something. All right? 2 add 2 equals something. So we need to find out what answer would go here. So let us try to solve it. Here we have our problem again. And this time we're going to try to solve our problem. Again, boys and girls, remember this time we are not reading our number sentence going across. We are reading it going down. From up to down. So 2, starting with the first number 2, add 2 equals something. So the first thing we are going to do is look at our first number. Do you see our first number? What number is that?
2.
2. Okay, so we are going to draw 2 stars this time. 1, 2. And then we are going to add 2 more. So let's draw 2 more of those stars. 1, 2. Now, the same way that we added across last time, it's the same way we're going to add up all the stars to get our answer, which we will put here. Okay, because this is our equal sign, and we want to put our answer in between our equal sign there. So let's get our answer by counting up all the stars. Ready, boys and girls? Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, count on. 3, 4. How many stars did I get? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So boys and girls, 2 add 2 equals
4.
4. And here you see we put our answer right in between the equal sign like that. All right. And this one is also an easy one. Again, we see let us add down. So again, we are adding down. So let's read our number sentence, boys and girls. 4 add 1 equals something. All right. 4 add 1 is equal to something. Let's go and solve it now. All right. 4 add 1 is equal to something. So what are we going to do, boys and girls? We are going to look at our very first number, 4. And we are going to draw 4 objects here. Let's see what we are going to draw this morning. 4 diamonds. So count with me. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 diamonds. 4 add 1. So how many diamonds am I going to draw here? 1. Good. So we want to find our answer now. All right, here we go. What do? We count all our diamonds up. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What answer did we get? Count again to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to write my answer in between the equal sign. My answer is 5, boys and girls. 4 add 1 is equal to 5. We got